Most drone operators try to follow the rules, while others may not be aware of them. Your engagement may be an opportunity to educate them on the rules. This episode will go through some options you may have when engaging someone flying a drone. If you observe a drone operation you believe to be a safety risk, there are certain things you can do to engage the operator. If possible, you should always ask the operator to safely land the drone prior to engaging so you do not create an unintended safety of flight issue. Once the drone has safely landed and has been shut down, law enforcement can ask the drone pilot for the proof of registration of the drone and to show that the drone is externally marked with the same registration number. Ask to see the operator's remote pilot certificate and government-issued ID. If the drone is being flown recreationally, ask to see a copy of the Recreational UAS Safety Test or TRUST completion certificate. If they were flying beyond visual line of sight or flying higher than 400 feet above ground level, ask to see a copy of their waiver. You also have the option of enforcing local regulations that might apply, such as trespassing on property from which the drone is operated, reckless endangerment, disorderly and/or unsafe conduct by the drone operator, interfering with public safety operations as defined by law, or privacy and harassment laws. If you observe an operation which may potentially interfere with the safety or security of the national airspace system, you should address the immediate issue as you would any other threat and then report it immediately to the nearest FAA Regional Operations Center. If you observe an operation which does not present an immediate danger, but you suspect the operator may be violating any federal law, you should pass that information on to the FAA for investigation.